Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to disable Quick Share on Android with a few easy steps you can follow right now. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the Apps drawer. This is where you can manage all your phone's features and connections. Step 2. Within the menu, scroll down and see the Connected Devices option, then click on it to open the menu. This section helps you manage any Bluetooth, pairing, or sharing options linked to your device. Step 3. In the Connected Devices menu, locate the Quick Share option right at the top and tap on it. Quick Share is a feature used to share files with nearby Samsung or Android devices instantly. Step 4. Within the Quick Share menu, look for the option that says Who can share with you and tap on it. This determines who can send files to your device through Quick Share. Step 5. Inside this menu, you'll see that it's currently active and might be set to Everyone or Contacts Only. To disable it, simply select the No One option and confirm your choice. And boom, you've successfully disabled Quick Share on Android. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.